Do open houses actually help sell homes? Open houses are back in vogue in a really big way right now. If we're to believe the National Association of Realtors, and I'd say that's probably a pretty good bet, only 4% of buyers purchase open house homes. So why do them? Well, let me ask you, have you ever gone to a neighbor's home when they were holding it open? Yeah, me too. It's actually a great way to get other people to advocate and sell for you. Maybe they have a relative or a really good friend who'd love living in your neighborhood. For this reason, it's a great idea. The other reason is that perhaps if you think about how busy people's schedules are, it's the only day, a Saturday or Sunday, are the only days that somebody is available to go see a property. One of the ways we can tweak this is actually hold a weeknight open house or restrict the open house to just an hour. That way you only get the most serious potential buyers coming through. I'll put a link to the article I posted on my blog, and if you want any more tips, just reach out. Make it a great day.